pink t-shirt and a pink sleeper. She was last seen at 12:30 p.m. at Bessemer Avenue, East Pittsburgh Borough. Yuri Thomas was reported abducted by Deontay Thomas, age 20, black male, 5 foot 6 inches tall, 140 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Thomas is believed to be armed with a firearm. Deontay Thomas is to be driving a 2018 white Jeep Compass, Pennsylvania registration LPB 2547. The Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber Child abduction alert for the Pennsylvania State Police Pittsburgh Barracks, Allegheny County. Pennsylvania State Police Pittsburgh Barracks is searching for Deontay Thomas, a black female, 1 year of age, 1 foot 5 inches tall, 15 pounds, wearing a pink t-shirt and a pink sleeper. She was last seen at 12:30 p.m. at Bessemer Avenue, East Pittsburgh Borough. Deontay Thomas was reported abducted by Deontay Thomas, age 20, black male, 5 foot 6 inches tall, 140 pounds, black hair.
Hi, Sativa. Ouch.
Deontay Thomas is to be driving
She's not scared.
Jeep Compass, Pennsylvania registration
No.
LPB 2547. Anyone with information about the abduction should immediately contact the police by calling 911. For more information, go to www.twitter.com PA State Police. This has been an Amber Child abduction alert for the Pennsylvania State Police, Pittsburgh Barracks, Allegheny County.
What are you doing over there? What the? Why is it starting again? Something's wrong. Why is it, guys? It's starting again for some reason.
The Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber Child abduction alert for the Pennsylvania State Police, Pittsburgh Barracks, Allegheny County. The Pennsylvania State Police, Pittsburgh Barracks is searching for Deontay Thomas.
I'm trying to watch TV here.
1 foot 5 inches tall, 15 pounds, wearing a pink t-shirt and a pink sleeper. She was last
Try a different kid.
p.m. at Bessemer Avenue, East Pittsburgh Borough. Yuri Thomas was reported abducted by Deontay Thomas, age 20, black male, 5 foot 6 inches tall, 140 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Thomas is believed to be armed with a firearm. Deontay Thomas is to be driving a 2018 white Jeep Compass, Pennsylvania registration LPB 2547. The Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber Child abduction alert for the Pennsylvania State Police Pittsburgh Barracks, Allegheny County. Pennsylvania State Police Pittsburgh Barracks is searching for Deontay Thomas, a black female, 1 year of age, 1 foot 5 inches tall, 15 pounds, wearing a pink t-shirt and a pink sleeper. She was last seen at 12:30 p.m. at Bessemer Avenue, East Pittsburgh.
It's starting over again.
Deontay Thomas was reported abducted by Deontay Thomas, age 20, black male, 5 foot 6 inches tall, 140 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Thomas is believed to be armed with a firearm. Deontay Thomas is to be driving a 2018 white Jeep Compass, Pennsylvania registration LPB 2547. Anyone with information about the abduction should immediately contact the police by calling 911. For more information, go to www.twitter.com PA State Police. This has been an Amber Child abduction alert for the Pennsylvania State Police, Pittsburgh Barracks, Allegheny County.
So it starts over again. /2. Ah! The Weather Channel. What?
The Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber Child abduction alert for the Pennsylvania State Police.
How many times is it going to repeat over? It's been like 2 hours.
Let's get a little much.
Barracks is searching for Deontay Thomas, a black female.
It's It's been like 2 hours Olympiad over.
15 pounds, wearing a pink t-shirt and a pink sleeper. She was last seen at 12:30 p.m. at Bessemer Avenue, East Pittsburgh.
Oh, I think this is in different.
Thomas was reported abducted by Gianni Thomas, age 20.
I think these are all different things.
140 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Thomas is believed to be armed with a firearm. Gianni Thomas is to be driving a 2018
What's the weather?
Compass, Pennsylvania registration LPB 2547. The Pennsylvania State Police have issued an Ambertown abduction alert to the Pennsylvania State Police Pittsburgh Barracks. Pennsylvania State Police Pittsburgh Barracks is searching for Deloy Thomas, a black female of minor age, 1 foot 5 inches tall, 15 pounds, wearing a pink t-shirt and a pink sleeper. She was last seen at 12:30 p.m. at Bessemer Avenue, East Pittsburgh Borough. Deloy Thomas was reported abducted by Gianni Thomas, age 20, black male, 5 foot 6 inches tall, 140 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Thomas is believed to be armed with a firearm. Gianni Thomas is to be driving a 2018 white Jeep Compass, Pennsylvania registration LPB 2547. For more information,
Turn it back on. See if it comes back on. See if that comes back on. Hopefully don't. Just want to watch TV. TV. Yeah.
Saturday through Tuesday as the next system rolls in. How about this? This year in the Colorado Rockies.
Finally.
Could be looking at another 5 to 8 inches of snow. A little different setup this time. If you remember with the last week storm, the one we had over the weekend.
Did like 3 of those.
That's about right here. It's really funneled in a lot of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, but with high pressure and a different trajectory of air, we're going to limit the amount of moisture that we have this time. So that may provide us, and this is a little quicker moving system, that may provide us a little bit less in the way of snow. However, all you
I'm done.
cold air and a little bit of moisture, we're going to have the cold air. Because look at this, big undulation in the jet stream brings that cold air down here from Canada, a little bit of moisture in place, and you have yourself some snow. And oftentimes there in the mountains you can maximize the snow because of the orographic lift, right? So there we go, especially Sunday into Monday, we get some pretty good snow. On Tuesday, I think we have some lingering snow across the Rockies, stretching, by the way, over into western and central Nebraska. The Sand Hills get hit, North Platte, you could be looking for some snow. Then that system on the move, but Dr. Knapp could prove to be a pretty wet system too.
Oh, it certainly could. That we know is the name of the game in spring. And when you see this